Hello and welcome to another episode of the Tejano Traveler. I'm your host Wally, and today we are in San Angelo, traveling along the Texas Forts Trail to look at the San Angelo Art Scene, which is pretty impressive. There's a lot of pop art, a lot of places where you can see murals and stuff. Here close to downtown is a place called Art in Uncommon Places, where artists have come and just done their thing. I like this throne. It was my favorite. I like to just sit down and pretend I'm king of art or something. But as you can see, you just walk around, take a look at some of the modern art that you see. Some of the art is pretty cool. Some of them are tiles, which is always great. There's different media that people use for this place. And I'm always a big fan of places where artists can go and do their thing. I've always thought art was very important to a community and to a city, so I'm glad that San Angelo has provided a lot of these artists a place where they can be artistic and share their awesome art with us. Plus, you don't need to pay. It's not in some fancy museum where you need to be quiet and listen to rules and stuff. Plus, it gives a lot of artists who don't usually have name recognition, like Picasso or Matisse and stuff like that. But they can still find a place where they can showcase their art. So go check out Art in Uncommon Places in San Angelo if you're ever there. It's a cool place. I like that rat that looks creepy and crazy, and that Mona Lisa painting herself. And tile work, we've seen some of this stuff here in Austin with a Gandhi and a Virgen de Guadalupe. So some of the arts I do recognize little by little. There's a Monopoly guy getting kicked out of jail. And there's a girl eating a popsicle. A sheep and Van Gogh. But lots of pop art. And I like the sheep. San Angelo has sheep everywhere. Hutto has hippos. Taylor has tigers. San Angelo has sheep. And the bowling pin, which is really not careful, it will tip over. So definitely do not push it. Then if you go down to the Conchos River, you see the Pearl of the Conchos, which is a Native American woman getting some oysters out from the river that runs right through San Angelo. And they've fixed this area up pretty neat, close to the visitor center, where you can go and walk around, see some of the art exhibits, see some statues, and they're the sheep that I've been telling you about, how they're everywhere. See some mosaics and art installations as you walk around and take a hike. Here in the middle of downtown, right by the river. Or somebody speak, which I thought was kind of cool. San Angelo is also home to several historic murals, which have been restored and you can still see as you drive around. So they're pretty proud of their murals. I would be too. Some of them are historical, such as this one. Some of them are just old from the turn of the century. Some of them show what San Angelo used to look like back then. And I like looking at muralography, if that's even a word. And there's an old department store mural. I miss old department stores. And some more artistic, historic murals. Definitely, you should check them out. And then there's an alley called Paintbrush Alley, where there's more murals by more artists. So San Angelo is a really colorful place for artists. And as you can see, there's lots of talent. I like seeing a lot of these murals, and definitely go check out San Angelo if you're looking for some art. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye bye.